Hi friends! Let's make some boat for Valerian and Helena. Come on! It's so easy. Ta-da! Ta-da! You like it, Valerian? Wow! I like it! Wow! How about you, Helena? You like it? Yes, I like it! Now, let's make some wave.